Hi everyone, welcome to Cook Like a Japanese channel. Today I'm gonna make steamed clams. I didn't say steamed clams. It got nothing to do with the Simpsons cartoon. Anyway, steamed clams is so popular here in Japan. You can use it for main dish or side dish, either will do. And it's really easy to make. So let's get started! Well, real cooking time for steamed clam is about 10 to 15 minutes, I guess. Just start preparing for that at least 1 hour before that. 3 hours before is best. This time I use Asari clam. First is to wash. Right, you're gonna wash these clams, like one shell. Clean the other shell or something like that. Sorry. Yeah, the second thing you do is to prepare the salt water. In this size of bowl, it will be like this. As I come in, cover it something, and leave it for hours, somewhere in the dark. When we do this preparation is to, remove sand from the clams. In Japanese, we call it sunanuki. Clams have sand inside, and if you put these clams in salt water for hours, clams will spit sand inside themselves. Okay, now step 2 is to heat the clams. Okay, you should spread them out so that they can open easily, and pour 70 cc of sake. Then you heat it. Medium high heat. Close the pan when it starts to boil and leave it for another 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, can you see clams start to open? Another 10 seconds or something. Yeah, I guess it's done. Okay, thanks for watching. Yeah, steamed clam is super easy to make beside the sunanuki method. Flushing the sand out of the clams. But it just takes time. Just wait. So if you like this video, please put the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Arigato. See you again. Bye.